Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we're doing a little different little thing over here, girl. But if you want to see how I got this look, this India Royale inspired look, keep on.
We took our signature sandwich and cranked it up.
Oh, hurry, baby, no. In your life.
To 11.
I love you, baby.
With bacon and cheese, it's the new.
My bang is a little bit thicker than your thing, but it is what it is. I just want a thicker bang, you know. All it is.
So what was this about?
And the result, it came out super, super, super cute. Y'all know I am in love. Like, this is super cute. It's supposed to be a messier look, but I like the way it came together. A little chic. It looks a little chic. You can wear this to prom. You can wear this to date night. You know, the bun, I'm glad I did add weave to the bun. Okay, so I probably shouldn't add weave to my bang, but I did glad I add weave to the bun. And yeah, it was super, super cute, super, super quick. Only thing that really took the longest was getting the hair up in the ponytail. The bang was not really that much of an issue. Just I probably wouldn't leave out as much hair the next time, but it still turned out super cute. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, because I got some dope inspired hair looks on the way. I said it's a whole look, so right now this is just the hair. I'm gonna tie it down about 10 minutes, change my clothes, take some pictures, because you know I'm really taking pictures. And yeah, look at the bun. Make sure you get the mesh one so it can be a little messy. Like, get that mesh donut, you know. I don't do nothing. I know how to slay some hair. But yeah, the bang is a little overdoing it, but I like my bangs big and overdoing it. Like, I'm a Virgo, we overdo shit. So yeah. Oh, I'm tweaking edges. But for my edges, I saw this girl, she did it for her frontal, but focus. So I just spray a little bit of this. Kind of just mold out. Well, I don't think any guy want to brush. I don't think any guy okay. Alright, so but no, I'm just going to spray a little bit of Got To Be Free spray to kind of just map out the shape. And then I saw this girl on I think it was TikTok. She used a little bit of this and she used a little bit of Got To Be. I'm out, y'all, so I had to cut it. That's ghetto, but just mind your business. So what I'm gonna do is dip my brush into the Got To Be. And you're supposed to mix it with the actual foam lotion. I'm just using a lot of body, the upper body. And then, oh, I love the consistency it makes. So it's like, really, it's like a gel type consistency once you put that wrap lotion in the Got To Be. Yeah. So yeah, I'm finna do my edges really quickly, and then I'm gonna tie everything down, shoot some content. I got some content to make tonight, yeah. But yeah, this look came out super cute. Shout out to India, because we love India over here for inspiring this look. We really do. We do. If Dirk don't want it, I'll take them. But they are already married. I'm engaged, so clearly. So yeah, see my edges? When it dries, it's just gonna be like, it's not gonna be hard, but it's gonna be stuck in place, if that makes sense. And so yeah. Alright, so this is the final look. Let's gonna do little edges, the bun, the bang, the pieces. Child, it's giving. It's definitely giving. Okay. If I ain't doing nothing, it's giving. Make sure again to like, comment, and subscribe. And just stay tuned for the rest of the video, because I'm gonna put some clips in. And it really turned out super cute. Super cute. Shout out to India. Let me take this out so I can do a thumbnail real quick. Look better once the look comes together. But everything looks really good to me right now. So I'm just stop talking, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like it, for real. Make sure y'all like it. Don't be asleep on me. Like the video. Give it a little like or something. Alright, and we're out. I was gonna change the full outfit. It's just a little crop top because she was wearing red on her engagement party, and she also had a red lip. I'm gonna see how this red looks. Not a red girl, but we're gonna see. Woo. Alright, so this is really red, and I'm not a red girl, but I'm gonna just go in on top of it with a little bit of like my press powder, just to kind of mattify it a little bit. Okay. So this is the final result. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, subscribe. I'm always doing it wrong. Like, comment, subscribe. What's so hard about it? Why can't I remember? Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, I know that I know me Miss India chill, but this look is so cute and so simple, and like I said, it really didn't take me long. The only thing that took me long was the bun, and because my hair was trying to do it like it was a V-day. It wasn't trying to cooperate, so I did have to get it up a little bit higher. I wanted it to be higher, but I actually like that it's sitting a little bit to the back. You know, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you baby in my next video. I really enjoyed this look. It came out super cute. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It is really late, but I had to do this guys for you. I had to do this guys for you. I had to do this for you guys. See, I'm sleepy. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, okay? Time to go to bed. Okay, I've been doing this for y'all. I did this for you. But now I gotta put me first, Lucius. I got to put me the fuck first, okay? But it came out super cute. I'm gonna keep my hair like this for a whole week, okay? A whole show week. You doing all that.
You ain't fuck me, you fuck the old body. Go up with their heads, these bitches is nobody.